Hello, what's up guys? This is Ayushmann and welcome to Code programming tutorial. We are back with a new project. As you already have to read this video title, we will make a loader for website. So don't have to waste our time. Let me show you how we do that. So first of all, I have already made a website for this tutorial. Now we will create a loader for this website. Open some important files like index.html and style.css. We will use this image for create a loader. Access this image in HTML file. Create div.loader tag, image tag, image loader.png. Let me show you. Okay, now we will create a style dot position access loader image position relative and width 100 px and top say 250 px, bottom say 50 px. Okay, everything is going all right. Then now we have need to hide all parent tag like header, slider, section and footer. So in this case we have set the same class in all tag. I will show you. That's a class. Copy this class, come in style sheet, paste this class here and give the style display and okay, everything is all right. Now we will add loader movement. So type code in JavaScript under the script tag, script, create a function, access this loader image variable, loader image document dot query selector loader image and also access this class. So create variable my height file document dot get elements by class name. Okay, then we set timeout function, set timeout function and give a duration for 3 seconds. Set style in loader image access all my height class using for loop for variable I in my height file, set style display block in all my height file class block. Now call this function here. Okay, finish. Okay, let me show you. Okay,